Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on God of YouTube. Shane, I'll just explain, Shane's not here, so I'm recording a video for him. I have told him I'm going to be doing this. So today I'm going to show you how just a bit of maintenance on your computer, make sure it's cleaned out. There's a lot of junk files that come along with having a computer, any computer this will cover. So I'm going to show you how to clean it out in a very quick way. So let's get right into it. So here you go, this is Shane's computer. So, to access the first one, there's a lot of temp folders on a computer. Temp folders are just junk folders that a program or an activity you do, maybe download something or watch Netflix or something, will create junk folders. So on your keyboard you'll hit the Windows key and R, and you'll get this little box just down here. Okay, and then you want to go into there and just type in temp. Okay, and then hit OK. This should open, get admin permission, this will open all of the junk that's there. All of this is junk on a computer, so you can just hit delete and gone. Okay, that's not the only one that will come up on a computer, so there is another one. So we'll do Windows R again, we'll get that box again, we'll clear that, and this time you're going to type in the %, temp, and % again, and then hit OK. And again, you can see there's a lot of junk folders, a lot of temp files. So library wallpapers, got stuff that is just junk files. So there's nothing in there that needs to be kept. AMD driver update, XML file. There's loads of junk in there. And again, I'll do this visually. So highlight it all, delete. You may get this, so you can just hit skip. So there's certain things that it won't be able to delete, but it obviously helps clean your computer out. So that's that done. But obviously it's not fully off your computer just yet. So you go into your recycling bin, and as you can see, there's quite a lot in here. Shane obviously doesn't empty this very often. So recycling bin tools and empty recycling bin. That will get rid of all the junk folders. Shane also runs this program. It's called CCleaner. This cleans your computer out of all the junk folders. So if I max screen this, you can see down the side here all the stuff that it will clean out, and it does quite a good job of it as well. So I'll hit run CCleaner, and this will scan the entire computer for any junk, anything it can remove, cache files, cookies, internet history, downloads, anything at all. It will pick it all up. You'll get a report in just a second. So there you go, you can see. So it's Internet Explorer, Internet Explorer, Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer, that's just like searching folders or anything else that you might search on your computer. System log files, there's quite a few there. Web cache files, Spotify, Shane's obviously had Spotify open at some point. And you just keep hitting Run CCleaner until it is 100% clear. This should come up with nothing on it whatsoever. So you can see it's still finding junk files. So you see that's clear. So all of these are highlighted. It says skipped, so you can ignore these. That's just because they've been selected not to clean them out. So you might have saved passwords or saved bank details if he wants to pay for something on his computer. So we've chose not to do that. Just keep hitting Run CCleaner, and obviously every second that your computer is on, it will keep picking up. As you can see there, it's picked up another Windows file. Just keep hitting CCleaner. You can do it as many times as you want. Shane has got it set in here. No, he hasn't. I thought he had it set on to. Okay, so you have to pay for it. I thought we had it set, but nope. So with this program, it is completely free. You can get it off their website if you do want it. It's called CCleaner. Don't download it off any other website. Make sure you go to the official website. So if I come out of that, I will show you what the website looks like, so you know exactly where to get it from. CCleaner. Uh-oh. The internet having a moment. I think it is. We've been having internet issues the past couple of days. It's not going to load, is it? We've been having this issue. Oh dear. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll get the link and I'll put it in the description. So that's just a quick video on how to clean out your computer's temp files. Nothing special, just a quick tutorial on how to do that. So again guys, if you did enjoy that video, there's a load more coming up. We're recording a whole load of videos. I'm going to be doing a few videos while Shane is away. I might even see if I can do some, I'll send him a text and see if I can do some gaming videos for his channel. He's just been playing Modern Combat 5, so we might get him to do some videos on that. Maybe some multiplayer as well, I'll play it with him. So yeah, if you do like the content that we're putting out, make sure you hit the like button and be sure to go down to the bottom. As it says in the bottom right, hit that subscribe button. It does help Shane's channel out a lot. And we will, maybe not me, but we will see you very soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.